Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can add cinematic dark green tones in your video using my dark green LUT. You can use this LUT in any video editing software. So watch full video to understand how you can download or use this LUT. I am using VN video editor, but you can use any editing software you like. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Okay, so go to the description of this video and click on this link, then wait some seconds. Here you can see it's asking for a password. To get this 4-digit password, watch full video carefully. So after adding the 4-digit password, click on continue. Then you will see download button. Click on it and your LUT is started downloading. Now open VN video editor and add your clips. Then click on filters and tap on plus icon. Then search LUT name in search bar. Then select LUT and hit OK. You can see the LUT is added successfully. Then click on LUT and adjust the intensity of LUT. Go to adjust and adjust the brightness, contrast, saturation according to your video and your taste. Let's try this LUT on some other clips. So just select the clip and go to filter and select the filter, then adjust the intensity of LUT. Remember one thing, every time you use the LUT, you have to adjust brightness, contrast and other settings. Subscribe my channel to get free cinematic LUTs for VN, Premiere Pro, Davinci Resolve and Final Cut Pro.